We are discussing the market. Will the market continue to hold Bitcoin at this point, or will we see a short-term recovery? We're going to discuss the Coinbase case because it has resulted in some very significant news. Garlinghouse, Brad President Trump meets with Stuart Alderani. Then Monica went on to say that people, an XRP ETF should be available very soon. Now without further ado, take a seat and unwind. Let's get started with a Bitcoin that is worth $95,000 in value. At 3,357, Ethereum is currently down 5.29% over the last day. Right present, it stands at 7.3%. At $2.30, XRP is a tough, lean fighting machine when USDT and USDC both hit their dollar pegs. The entire market value of cryptocurrencies is 3 pennies or $3 trillion. We were just at the top 3.5 presently, which is funny how these markets operate. We are still aiming for the $4 to $5 trillion level, and we are back to 3.3. It will arrive. Right now, I'm telling you. They are making every effort to divert your attention and cause you to lose focus. To instill dread in you and cause you to ignore cryptocurrency. I hope that they can sell your bags. Keep in mind the guidelines for the first crypto game. When the color is red, you have two. The ideal example is when it's green, you sell. Solana has dropped 7% over the past day. I think there is a fantastic opportunity to buy. Cardano's 12% decline feels like yet another excellent opportunity. The XRP chart is shown here. As you can see from this, everything is evident and apparent over here. Yesterday was Tuesday, January 7th. We began a serious breakdown. We lost it. I warned you that we needed to stay above that mystical purple line, but we fell below it. That's all right, though, because we immediately rose back over. In fact, we retested a line at 238 with a small wick just here in the middle. But what are we searching for at the moment? This trend line must be broken. It's being tampered with by us. We're in contact with it. To initiate another robust upward bounce, we must overcome it. Upon receiving this from the Crypto Minute communication, despite a weekly increase of 14%, the price of XRP remained stable. Although the price of XRP has increased by 14% over the past 7 days, it is now in a consolidation period. Trading continuously between 234 and 246, I'll go into additional detail. Since this range-bound motion reflects the sentiment of the rebounding market, the range has been between 230 and 250. Neither bulls nor bears are assuming power. It claims that since late December, the number of XRP whales owning between 10 million and 100 million coins has stayed consistent, bolstering the market's neutrality. But a bullish momentum gets stronger. As possible following stages, XRP might break out and go for notable upside levels of $2.72 and $2.90. Very intriguing. They nearly seem to have been watching the videos. We informed you that once 272 is broken, it will be the breakout. We will aim for more than $3. At 55.7, the XRP RSI is now indicating a period of moderate market momentum. Nothing noteworthy, then, the market is moving moderately. Nothing significant. Values over 70 usually signify overbought circumstances and the possibility of a reversal, whereas readings less than 30 imply oversold situations. We are therefore not overbought. We haven't been oversold. It's just relaxing. From here, where can it go? It's straightforward, but I predict that we will range for a while before either the bulls or the bears seize the initiative. That is what we are examining. It might be dull for the next week or 2 days, or there might be some crazy news or insane excitement. From the surge to the races, Bitcoin can determine that it will break 100,000. We leave Hogan, Jeremy, major developments in the field of legal crypto, until the lawsuit to the appellate court decides whether the investment contract necessitates a real contract, the judge in the SEC v. Coinbase case has halted the case. In the Ripple appeal, this is also the primary issue of disagreement. Interlude question appeals are rarely granted, which suggests that the trial-level judge believes that something is there. Let's continue to monitor that. What's happening? Then comes this believable crap. He says, look, the pullback of Bitcoin. It's continuing to develop over XRP's higher low. Now that the manufacturing is finished, daddy, baby XRP, come on over. I'll keep the bears away from you. The chart can be found here. What he's staring at is him. You are aware we saw a slight uptick in the small squiggles in the mid to lower $2 level, before it completely rises and into the $3 to $4 range, which will be the first stop before Monica Long gives it to us. Speaking of which, she believes that an XRP ETF will be released soon and anticipates seeing their new stablecoin, RLUSD, on additional platforms right away. Monica Long's words are intriguing, very intriguing. An ETF for XRP is on the horizon. This raises the question, what does Monica want? Recognize that we are unsure. This video will be saved. In a day, we'll play in the second video. We must engage in some activity. It's crucial. Right here, we have some very wonderful news. Brad Garlinghouse claims that last night's fantastic meal with Stuart Alberati and Donald Trump was a great beginning to 2025. What other digital asset is there now? Cryptocurrency projects blockchain developments. Who is meeting with President Trump, do you see? What else? Do you know of any projects or businesses that are seated on the task force of the Federal Reserve? Do you know of any other cryptocurrency initiatives collaborating with central banks? I'm not claiming that Ripple's is the only one, but I'm arguing that there aren't many opportunities. Not very much. That says something. That's significant. Something is in the process of cooking. This is brewing. What are your thoughts? They discussed with Trump the advancement of blockchain, DLT, and cryptocurrency in the United States. They discussed with him what Ripple is doing and all of the nonsense that the company is currently dealing with. Since the SEC and the entire Ripple litigation were discussed extensively, I like to think that I know Trump rather well and know how he would respond to this, particularly regarding the SEC. Trump is quite aware, you know. What's happening? If I had to do this based only on my knowledge of President Trump's responses and handling of the situation, given the SEC's overreach, I would say it's likely that his exact words will be "do not be concerned. We'll take care of this. It will disappear." I posted the tweet about my luck yesterday. It's over, Ripple SEC, and he will be at the workplace in 12 days. In the world of cryptocurrency, everything is going to change. His plans, acts, and maneuvers have already begun. He is aware of his course of action. Even though he isn't formally president, he has been working since he won the election because he will have everything ready to go when he takes office, get it signed, and implement the plan. He's not the type to wait around. This is encouraging for the whole cryptocurrency market, not just for Ripple or for those of us who own XRP. Now that you want to discuss institutional investment in cryptocurrency, let's get started. Do you wish to discuss the 3 to 10% shift from traditional markets to cryptocurrency marketplaces? Crypto is not taxed. There you have it. You wish to discuss the United States. Taking the lead, crypto taxes are also eliminated. Where do you believe these cryptocurrency businesses will begin to expand? To the venerable U.S.